Everyone chasing the gym pump wants the same thing: big biceps. You flex, you look strong. But I'm going to tell you a secret that the biggest, strongest, most powerful athletes on the planet already know. Your massive biceps, they're mostly for show. The real signals of true, usable, foundational strength are hidden. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to reveal the 3 overlooked muscles that instantly signal an anti-fragile body, a body that doesn't just look strong, but is strong for life. Stick around, because if you're not training number 3, you're leaving 50% of your power on the table. I learned this the hard way. Early in my strength training journey, I was all about the mirror muscles. My arms grew. I felt good. Until I tried my first heavy deadlift. I was shocked. My grip failed, my back rounded, and I felt weak as a kitten. Why? Because I neglected the muscles that actually transfer ground force into power. The 3 muscles we're about to discuss are the foundation of all serious strength and longevity. Forget the curls for a second. Let's talk about the muscles that truly matter. Muscle number 1, the gluteal complex. We're talking glute max, medius, and minimus. This is the engine of the human body. Think of every time you run, jump, or lift anything heavy off the floor. That power comes from your hips. If your glutes are weak, and for most people who sit all day, you're basically trying to drive a Ferrari with a lawnmower engine. The glutes aren't just for aesthetics. They're critical for spinal stability and protecting your lower back. A powerful pair of glutes is the ultimate signal of functional strength. They allow you to safely perform all the compound lifts like squats and deadlifts that build the rest of your strong physique. Actionable tip: don't just do squats. Incorporate heavy hip thrusts or banded abductions to target this muscle group directly and activate that forgotten powerhouse. Muscle number 2, the core. Now, I'm not talking about visible abs, though they can be a side effect. I'm talking about the 360-degree muscular cylinder that connects your upper and lower body. The transverse abdominis, the deep, stabilizing muscles. When you try to lift a heavy box, jump, or throw a punch, the core's job is to prevent your spine from snapping in half. A strong core is the ultimate signal of bodily control. Imagine a crane. The strongest part is at the lifting arm. It's the stable base. Your core is that stable base. It ensures every ounce of strength your glutes generate is efficiently transferred to your arms and back. Actionable tip: skip the 100 crunches. Focus on exercises that require anti-movement, like planks, farmer's walks, and Pallof presses. This trains your core to be a stiff, unmoving column, which is the definition of true strength. And finally, the most underrated signal of strength and power, muscle number 3, the trapezius, or as the powerlifters call it, the yoke. The traps are a massive muscle group running from your neck all the way down your back. When you see a seriously strong physique, the traps are what give that imposing, solid look. But this isn't about looks. The traps are essential for holding heavy loads. If you've ever had your grip fail on a deadlift, often it's not your hands, but your traps giving out because they can't support the weight. They stabilize your shoulder blades, which is key for pressing movements, and they are crucial for good posture and shoulder health. Actionable tip: train the entire complex. Heavy barbell shrugs for the upper portion, and face pulls or scapular retractions for the middle and lower traps. This not only builds brute strength, but also contributes significantly to muscle longevity and an injury-proof upper body. So there you have it. If you want to build true strength, the kind that translates to real-world power and longevity, stop obsessing over the show muscles. Shift your focus to the unsung heroes. Number 1, the glutes, the engine of power. Number 2, the core, the stabilizing foundation. Number 3, the trapezius, the load-bearing yoke. Start incorporating exercises for these 3 into your routine, and you will see your compound lift numbers jump dramatically. You won't just look strong, you will be strong. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button to tell YouTube you want more strength training tips. And if you're serious about transforming your physique, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. Question for you: which of these 3 muscles are you going to prioritize first? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.